Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can order from TikTok shop. So I'm on the TikTok shop main page, and here you can see that if you see a product option like this shop, you simply need to click on that, and here you can see a product will be open, and you simply need to click on the option of shop buy now or add to cart, and you can shop easily. And let's suppose if you are on the profile, here you can see this basket, you simply need to click on that, and here you can see different products. Click on any product, click on add to cart or buy now. So this is a process that you can use. You can also live shop. So in this video I only show you the process that how you can shop from TikTok shop. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.